not early, 10 p.m. Just wake up, went to run, met two guys, one from US and one from Spain. Now we are going to a train ride, I have no idea, here in Yangon. Just starting the morning. We just stopped here by this hotel and the Pope should be here, so a lot of journalists right now outside, like as you can see that is bus, a lot of journalists over there. They're just waiting for the Pope, but we didn't see the Pope. But he's here in Myanmar this week, and a lot of people are just like crazy, you know. You can see a lot of advertisement in the city with the Pope sign, and yeah, it's pretty good, but unfortunately we could not see him again. Yeah, you can see him. Yeah, it was it, I told you. This is the billboard that I mentioned. We just see the car passing by and the Pope was inside, but unfortunately we could not meet him. And yeah, now we are going to the train station again. Start the food market here in the train station. These guys grabbing some food to take to the train. It's 2.5 hours journey. I have no idea what to expect, but we are going there to check this train ride. Inside, you know, like capture some moments, especially when you are like a football and you see so much interesting things, you know, like new characters, faces. And I just was walking inside, I see a guy with just killed a chicken, and it was with a chicken on his hand. I captured some photos and was just like I love travel, you know. This is like what I like to do and it makes me feel so excited, you know, to see the world. Today is like Monday, you know, like if I was working for the company I would be in the office like the whole day. But there's so much to explore, so much things to see in this world, and I feel like so happy and motivated to keep exploring and keep doing things, you know, like it's amazing. The world is beautiful. Story about this train, because this is like an unbelievable train. I travel a lot around the world and see so many places, you know, but this train is just amazing. Make a circle around Yangon city, and so many people come and go inside, come and go. It's like, it's just crazy, you know, like, and so many characters, many faces, many people with different products and so on. And I got so many good photos. I can even create a photo project for only this train. I can stay outside, but if I can, I need to wait for the next train, and then I need to pay a new ticket. But yeah, it's just amazing. I just stopped in this market here. I was in the train. I was with the two guys from America and Spain, and I see this market. I could not tell them I was getting out of the train, but I could not resist. The market is really interesting. I'm going inside there right now to check the products, and the products like, I don't know, fruits, vegetables, meat, and almost everything. And I'm going inside to explore this market. It's a pretty small market. It's hard to explain the smell of this market, but it's something that interesting to see, you know. So many like people here walking, and a lot of ingredients that I never seen in my life, like shape of onions, like kinds of potatoes, and some fruits. I have no idea which taste. Some of them I could try, but other ones I have no idea how to eat because the shape's so strange for me, and I never see something like that before. Waiting for the boat to go to the other side, but unfortunately there is no people. The boat's empty there. The reason I'm going there because I want to make some photos in a shipwreck. I don't know if the word in English is correct or not, but like kind of place where they destroy the ship, and then it's pretty interesting to go there and take some photos.